Good morning, Barbara.
Good morning, Ron Brown, and today's KUIC Ultimate Coffee Break is at A1 Guaranteed Heating and Air. Wow, you guys, you have totally blown my ears out. I love it. We're having too much fun, yeah? I'm hanging out with Chrissy. Hey, hi, Chu, and how are you today, my dear?
Doing great today, thank you.
You have a wild bunch, and they're a lot of fun, huh?
Yeah, they're pretty crazy.
Yeah. They're really fun. They're really cool people. I like them a lot. Richard! So we're hanging out in Vallejo, and how's business going?
Wonderful. Now's the time to tune up your furnace. Give us a call.
Okay, and
It's really fun!
do you want to say hi to somebody out there?
Want to say hi to my kids who couldn't make it.
Oh, too bad.
You're at school.
That's just wrong, Chrissy. Richard, you're wild and crazy. Did you have too much caffeine, huh?
Never happened. Never happened.
All right, we're having too much fun. Listen to Ron Brown. He can tell you about your very own KUIC Ultimate Coffee Break. Coming to you from A1 Guaranteed Heating and Air here in Vallejo. Yeah! I'm Barbara Hoover for 95.3 KUIC.
Man, oh man. Woo! They are having fun. If you want a KUIC Ultimate Coffee Break where you work, just ask.